it. We were ambitious and for the first time ever successful.
And
Never been good at anything before.
we've been factual.
Our success, though, was not the biggest surprise on this trip. We came here wondering if America had finally made a car that might actually work in the civilized world. The answer is no, they haven't. As you can see from our smiles, they've made 3.
They were. I reckon my Vette was better than that Renault Twingo.
I'd rather have the Challenger.
Yeah.
Perhaps they're not quite as well made as we'd like.
No, but they were just fantastic fun. We just loved them. And on that Obama shell, it's time to end the show. Thanks very much for watching. See you next week. Good night.
The Big Book of Top Gear is available now. And coming up next on BBC Two, what sort of people are the business dragons outside the den? Meet scary Deborah Meaden. Discover the secret of her success in a moment.